Hi, third grade. How is everybody today? Last week we talked about figure drawings and people posing for us or modeling for us. This week we're going to talk about space and perspective are going to be our vocabulary words for this week. And we're going to look at some artwork that features people outdoors. So let's take a look first at this painting. In this painting, you see a group of people playing handball. And if you take a look at the two players who are nearest to you, one on the left and one on the right, these players are large and close to the bottom of the painting. The other players are small and higher up from the bottom of the picture. This makes them seem like they're farther away from you in the space of the painting. Okay, so as you know, things get smaller as they move away from you. So if something is very, very close to you, it's going to appear large. Like my hand looks really big, but as it moves away, it gets smaller and smaller. My hand size is not changing, just the space from where my hand was to where it is now changes. So that's the difference in those people's heights. It's not that the ones that are further away are much smaller. Artists do that to show depth in their picture. And also, it gives us a little bit of an idea as to where people are within the picture space. Let's take a look at this painting of a beach scene. If we look at this painting, the people who are far away are very small. Where did the artist place them in the space? Okay, take a look at where they are in the space. People that are closer to us in this painting are further to the bottom of the painting, and people that are farther away are higher up in the painting. So as things move away from us, they not only get smaller, but they get higher up in the painting so that we can make them look like they're going back into space. Okay. When artists show things that are near or far away in a space, they're using perspective. Okay, so that's what we're going to try to do today. Let's take a look at this third grade artwork. This is a tennis match that it looks like the student possibly went to. He has added a lot of details. We have a crowd, we have a ref, we have people playing. So there's a lot of details in this little drawing that he made. So you're going to show perspective today in your drawings, and you're going to create a picture of a place outdoors where you like to have fun with other people. That could be a sporting event or a picnic or somewhere down the shore. I'm sure you'll think of a lot of different great ideas. We're going to plan the space in our picture first, so we're going to draw the environment, and then we're going to use our colored pencils to add color. We're going to really try to do some people close to us and some a little bit further away, getting smaller and further up on your picture. Okay, so go ahead and get a pencil, your colored pencils, and a sketchbook, and we'll meet right back here. Okay guys, so I'm going to hold my paper horizontally today because I'm going to be drawing a landscape, and it's usually just a little bit easier for me to draw a landscape this way. If you would like to work from a photo for this assignment, you definitely could. I'm going to work from my memory for this drawing, and I'm going to start first by drawing a horizon line. So this is where the sky meets the land. You can decide where you want to put that. I'm going to do a beach scene, so I'm going to leave enough room for water and sand, okay? And I'm going to just very lightly start to add some lines for waves, and then I'm going to use all that knowledge that we have from drawing people last week, and I'm just going to kind of think about where this person would be sitting on the beach if they were like in a little beach chair. I feel like this leg is a little too high up. Okay, and maybe this person has like a little umbrella. And maybe we'll do some people out here swimming in the water. And maybe we'll have a few boats too, so we can show perspective that way. So if I have one sailboat here that's pretty close to us, and we'll put another little guy in here on his sailboat, and we have another sailboat way out on the horizon line. That sailboat is going to be much, much smaller and much higher up on my picture. So if there's a person here, like let's say we have someone very close to us, we can only see their head, their neck, and their shoulders, they would be very, very close. I think I'm going to put a hat on this person, put a little beach hat on them. Okay, and I'm going to put someone a little bit bigger here swimming in the ocean. Okay, so another set of vocabulary words that we should probably talk about is foreground, middle ground, and background. So the people that are closest to us, or the objects that are closest to us, are in the foreground. Anybody that's in the middle is in the middle ground, and people way in the back are in the background. And we want to make sure that whatever is in the foreground is lower and bigger, right? Middle ground is medium size, and background is really tiny, and it's high up on your paper, way in the back. I'm going to go ahead and add some more details to my drawing and then start color, and I'll meet you right back. Okay, third grade, so here is my finished outdoor drawing. Notice that I was very careful to do people in different sizes, so anyone that's closer to you should be lower on your paper and larger, and as people move further away, they get smaller and smaller. You can do this with objects too, like I did with the sailboat. So we have one here and one way in the background there, so they get smaller as they move away from you. Try to think of something that you have a really good memory of that happened outdoors, and draw a picture of that. I can't wait to see what you come up with, and I'm looking forward to seeing all of your drawings. Don't forget to submit after you take a picture, okay? Take a picture of your drawing first and then return the assignment. Bye, everybody. Have a great week.